Hi everyone, this is Saurabh Jha. Today I am going to say something about the topic reservation in India. Reservation is the system in which the people belonging from backward classes are given reservation in government jobs and colleges. It helps them to get a seat in government organization despite of having less mark or merit than the general class. The current scenario of reservation system in India are 15% seats are reserved for scheduled caste, 7.5% seats are reserved for scheduled tribe, and 27% seats are reserved for OBC candidate. It means total constitutional reservation percentage is 49.5% and the rest of 50.5% seats are open to all. That is for general, SC, ST and OBC candidate. Now let's talk about some advantage and disadvantage of reservation system. There is no doubt that reservation has helped the people belonging from backward classes to improve their social and economical status. It helped them to achieve higher post and services in the public sector as well as in private institutions. It has encouraged the people to fight for the justice whenever there is violation of their human rights. Instead of all these, reservation has divides our country on the basis of caste, religion and gender and hence threaten it our national unity. The attempt of the government is that the people of our country live without any discrimination on any basis. But reservation will not let that happen. It creates the feeling of superiority and inferiority among the different class of people. It did not justice with the unreserved candidate because despite of their hard working they did not get their desired post and it will fill with the reserved candidate. So I personally think that the reservation should be given to the needy person only and at the same time the person who are belonging from backward classes but are financially strong enough should be stopped to enjoy the benefit of reservation. Financially weak persons should only enjoy the benefit of reservation. What is your opinion about this? Write in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.